Imagine having all the AI model inside Visual Studio Code. GLM 5.2, MiniMax M3, Kimi K2.6, DeepSeek V4 Flash, Qwen, chatgpt, Nematron, and over 70 more without switching website, creating multiple API key, or installing different coding agents. Sound impossible? In this video, I will show you exactly how to access all 75 model for free using single API key inside Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. In any browser, source for build.nvidia.com, where NVIDIA provide currently 77 to 80 free model for you, and your API rate limit is up to 40 requests per minute. Other than that, there is no any daily, monthly, and weekly limit. First, I will show you which model currently available for free. Go to the model section, filter for free endpoint, and apply it. You can see currently 77 model are free, just like GLM 5.2, MiniMax M3, Nematron, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and many more. We are going to integrate this all model inside the Visual Studio Code from single API key. Before integrating that, I will mention one thing. Among these 77 model, not all models are compatible for coding. Some of them are specially built for coding, just like MiniMax M3 GLM. Okay, and some model are for different reason. Among these all model, some model are very quick, just like MiniMax M3, Kimi K2.6. These model are very fast, but when I tried, GLM model is very slow and DeepSeek is very quick. Okay, how you can use it, how you can create your account, how you can get your API key, and how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code. After you have landed here in build.nvidia.com, you need to create your account here. To create your account, it will ask two layer of verification. You need to verify with your phone number, and at the same time you also need to verify with your Gmail account. To protect your account, it will add extra layer of security. After you have created account, you are landed it here. If you want to explore more and model section, you can easily explore. Here is the documentation section. Without wasting time, I am going to create API key. Go to your profile section and click for API key. From here, you can easily create your API key. Generate API key section. Give any name of your API key. Free API key. And set the expiration date. I will set it 1 hour only for tutorial purpose. My API key will expire after 1 hour, and didn't share your API key with anyone. Okay, and this is the only one time your API key will be displayed. Don't worry, you can easily create as much API key as you can. But if you want to save it, copy it and save it in your notepad. Okay, then go to your Visual Studio Code. In extension section, source for NVIDIA name provider. By using this extension, we are going to use it. Install it. It will just take 3 to 5 seconds if your internet connection is stable. After that, open the chat section. If not open it, then we are exploring remaining all this component later. Open this auto and manage model. Then this language model dialog will be open. In the add model section, after you have installed NVIDIA name provider, this NVIDIA name will be reflected here. Other, if you not install, then it will not reflected here. Okay, select this NVIDIA name. Again, open dialog where you need to provide name. You can provide any name, but I am going with NVIDIA name, which is relatable as well. Press enter. Last steps, you need to provide the API key that you have created in NVIDIA website. Copy the API key and paste it here. Press enter. Now you are ready to use all this model which are currently available for free. I'll close this dialog. I have already pinned this all model, that's why it will be reflected here. If not, again go to the other model section and source any model that you want, just like MiniMax, GLM. GLM is slow, that I feel. Let's start with Kimi K. First, let's try, does it work or not? If it works, then we will go forward. Okay, you can see here all my real time will be reflected at the top. You can easily analyze how much time it will take to respond. Okay, I'm going to try 2-3 model. You can decide yourself which model is fast and which model is slow. Hello, how are you? This is the MiniMax M3. Okay, it will also respond, but it will take a little bit time. And another things I'll mention, response time will be depend on various factors, just like in which time you are using your internet connection, your device speed, how much far you are from the server, and many things. Okay, you can see step 3.7 is also fast. At the current time, Kimi K2.6 and DeepSeek 3.7 Flash is very quick among these four. Some model may not work as well. Currently, these two model response fast. If you try sometime later, this model is slow and this model might be fast as well. I will show you by building one simple game. I'm going to try this space shooter game where I have provide simple prompt. I just want to test does it work or not and how much time it will take. You can see my real time in how much time it will complete it and how is performance. I don't want to hide anything here. I have demonstrated it and everything is in real time where Kimiki responds fast, MiniMax takes little bit more time. Currently, this DeepSeek didn't respond us, and step 3.7 responds very quick. I'm going to build this game using step 3.7. If you try it sometime later, some other model responds quick as well. Okay, it will complete it. I think it will take nearly 5 to 6 minutes to complete this game where it will think, create, analyze and give us the complete code. First, let's try. How is it look? Start game. Okay, it will working perfectly and game also look good. By this way, you can use this model inside your Visual Studio Code. Try some other model as well if you want. Background is also good, score is also good, and here it will show at the right top corner, health, left corner, it will show the score. Okay, I'll blast it. You can find many model here. Try some of the model and find out which model give the best performance and which model are fast. Decide it and use it. If you are searching for free model, then you can find those model which are unlimited fast as well. If you are searching for free model, you need to compromise on any place. Okay. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding.